To use two WhatsApp accounts in S24 Ultra, make sure you have WhatsApp from Google Play and then open your settings and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see security and privacy. Then we're going to select more security settings. Then we will see secure folder and just tap on this. For the first time, it's going to ask you to enter in your Samsung account and to create the secure folder. And once it's created, the secure folder will be in your app drawer and then you should see it right here. Make sure you set up a PIN or password or your fingerprint. And so the secure folder lets us create duplicate versions of our apps. So we'll just tap the plus in the secure folder and we're going to select WhatsApp and then we'll add it. So now the secure folder version of WhatsApp is its own unique version. And then you also have the version in your app drawer, which is from Google Play. And so you can see we have secure folder WhatsApp, regular WhatsApp. You can put one account here, another account there. Hope this helps.